We are introducing the new HTC Sense that will take the experience to the whole new level for our customer. As a big step of HTC brand, we are also introducing a series of connected HTC services we call HTCSense.com. HTCSense.com provide our customer additional capability to control, manage, customize their experience from their phone or from their PC. This is very exciting times to be in mobile industry, and I'm very proud that HTC continue to be a smartphone leader and innovator.
Today, we are announcing the all-new HTC Sense, which has the many improvements that consumers expect, but also offers some surprises. And with the all-new HTC Sense, we are offering two great new phones, Desire HD and Desire Z. HTC Sense is not innovation for the sake of innovation. It's innovation that places the consumer at the very center. Everything we do starts with the perspective of the consumers. Before we talk about what HTC Sense is, let's talk about what it's not. HTC Sense is not just the UI. It's not an overlay. It's not a home screen. HTC Sense is a holistic experience. You know how sometimes when you encounter something so simple, you just wonder to yourself, why haven't I thought of that before? How come other brands don't do the same? How come not everything else works just like that? These insightful moments of delight are what we at HTC aspire to deliver. Let me give you one small example. Did you know that an HTC phone will ring louder when it's in a handbag or a pocket? That just makes sense, right? And when you pick up the phone from the handbag, the phone senses that it has been moved. Since the user already noticed, the ring will politely fade away. And if the phone rings during a meeting where 20 people are staring at you, you simply flip the phone over to silence it. And if you want to take this phone call, right before you touch the green talk button, you see the caller's Facebook update right next to the caller ID. So you can answer with happy birthday. Think about this. The act of answering a phone call takes only a moment. But to deliver to you just this split seconds of delight, we at HTC work so hard to turn this everyday moment into a perfect moment.
What motivates us at HTC is really looking at mobile technology as a way to make people's life more meaningful, making technology both enjoyable and meaningful to use. You know, I always tell my team that make it just lovable and usable at the same time. I think we always think about the end user before anything else. Of course, technology is important, but we don't think about technology as the starting point. We always go and observe and then find the pain points and then try and solve it creatively with mobile technologies. I think that's what's exciting about, and different at HTC.